Devi Sri Prasad, born on 2nd August 1979 in Vedrupaka, Andhra Pradesh, India. Happy 46th birthday, Devi Sri Prasad. Many more happy returns of the day, Devi Sri Prasad. On your 46th birthday, I am singing the song Ninnu Chudagane from Atharinti Datirdi and dedicating it to you, Devi Sri Prasad. Wish you all the best for your upcoming movies. Best of luck for your health and wealth, Devi Sri Prasad. Devi Sri Prasad is an Indian music composer, singer, and lyricist, primarily known for his works in Telugu cinema along with Tamil cinema. Devi Sri Prasad has received numerous accolades, including a National Film Award, a Nandi Award, 10 Filmfare Awards, 7 SEMA Awards, and 5 Cinema Awards.